Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of the C Unraveled series. Today we are going to learn about bubble sort. I know I previously said that we would be learning about binary search today, but it required you to learn a sorting algorithm first to create the most efficient version of it. So we'll begin with bubble sort. Bubble sort is known for a property that it first of all the largest value reaches its position in the array whenever we are working with bubble sorts. So that's int main. Now let's create the variables. First one is int a, which I will give value 1000. Like it can take values up to 1000. Then b, c, d, and val. And let's create another one which is going to be bubble. And again let's give it 1000. Okay, so first of all we'll create a print statement to print that enter the number of values for the array. So we are simply asking that how many values the person wants to put for the array. So %d, comma, and here we have to put ampersand val. Okay, so now we'll make another printf statement. Enter the values of the array. And now we have to create a for loop. So b, p, val, b, and now we would be writing scanf and %d, because obviously we are entering int values, and then ampersand val, wait, not val, a, b. Okay, so till now we have only entered the values that are required for the array. Now it's turn for the bubble sort to begin. First, a for loop, which is going to be similar to this one. Like we only need b there. Val, b, so I'll also copy paste it because we also require it another time later on. Okay, so we also need another array, another for loop here, but this time it is going to have the value c. Also, you would be wondering why I created another array there, which I named bubble. That is simply for the reason that I was thinking we can later on elaborate in the same file to create all the sorting algorithms. Mainly the three: bubble sort, selection sort, and merge sort. So here I'll do one thing, that we can simply paste it again here. And we have tried bubble b is equal to a, b. So we have simply transferred all the values of the a array to the bubble array. So now what we have to do here is we have to put an if else statement, namely if statement. So here we would give the condition bubble C if greater than bubble C plus 1, then D is equal to bubble C, which means we'll give the first, which is the greater value, to D. Then what we'll do is bubble C is equal to bubble C plus 1. So we'll give the smaller value to the first position. Like bubble C is the first position, bubble C plus 1 is the second position. And D is just a simple variable that is passing the values, storing it temporarily, namely. So now we'll write bubble. So when we do this, like we wrote this, bubble C plus 1 is equal to D. The bubble C plus 1 value will get overwritten by the value inside the D, which is the greater value, obviously. So now we'll exit the loops. Here I'll write printf because we need to at least tell that this is the bubble sorted array. Bubble sorted array is, and then here we'll write printf %d comma bubble b. So let's save it. Okay, I forgot to put a semicolon, which would have created a lot of problem if went unnoticed. So we'll write gcc bubble sort.c ./a.exe. So suppose we want to give 5 values, and the values are 90, 70, 20, 50 and 10. Now if I click enter, like you can see that there is, like, let me do some corrections. First of all, here would be 1. And then we didn't put any space, so it looks like this. Now when we rerun it, again it's asking for values. Now 90, 70, 50, 20, 40. Now you can see it has sorted, but where is the 90? Okay. I also forgot to add one here. The reason is, like, there are some complications sometimes inside the sort, so it is better to practice this when we are printing the sorted array to avoid any kind of complication. So now if I go with 5, 90, 70, 10, 40, 50. You can see now it is completely sorted. 10, 40, 50, 70, 90. So this is how a bubble sorted array program is created. And what I was talking about is that, as you can see, 90 is here. Okay, so let me just increase the size if I can. What I was saying is, you can see 90 is at the first place. Now 90 would be compared to 70. So it is A, C or bubble C, and this is bubble C plus 1. So these two will be compared. 90 is bigger than 70, so 90 will go ahead. And it will then keep the 70 at first place. Then 90 and 10 would be compared. As 10 is smaller, so again 10 will go ahead. Like this, 90 will reach the end first. Then 70, then 50, then 40, and at last 10 reaches its position. So this is how it works. And maybe the next video is on selection sort, like if I think of first completing the sorting algorithms. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Till then, bye.